I'm going to make a video about how to rethread a hole that's been shredded, cross-threaded, buggered up, whatever you want to call it. The person who built this motor did a horrible job. They put the wrong bolt into this hole for the alternator housing, and so now I have to go in and fix it because this is an aluminum mount. And I mean, I could replace the whole mount, but that's going to be really expensive or require a trip to the junkyard. I'm going to switch over to the phone, see if I can show you how bad those threads are, because they're real bad. Boom. All that gunk and crap in there are the threads. They're just trashed. So step one, I'm going to pull the shards of metal out with the pick. Then I need to find out what size that is. Let's find our pitch. I don't think it's any of these. It's not. It is probably metric because it's Subaru. So what you do is you just keep putting your thread gauge against the threads of the bolt until you find one that looks like it fits like a glove. Kind of like this 1.25. So yeah, I think we're dealing with the 1.25. A 10 by 1.25, is that about the right size? That looks pretty close. What do you think? Double check. Find my handle. You never want to do this dry. They make special oil for it, but you know, who's got time for that? Just dip it in a jug of transmission fluid. Oh, there's no room to work in here. So, that's fine. So an alternative, if you can't get your T-handle in there, is finding the appropriate sized wrench. Pliers, I guess, would probably work. 6 millimeters fine. And then, since you're cutting threads, you only want to go a few threads at a time. And then you back it out, and then you go back in, and back it out, and you go back in. It's kind of tedious. I might have actually already pushed through the bad spot. Mine's not getting tight, so I'm just going to keep sending. And most bolt holes are not going to go all the way through like this. This one, fortunately, does. And so I know I'm all the way through and bottomed out once the tap comes out the bottom side of that hole. This might be the easiest tapping I've ever done. But it is aluminum. Okay, I'm all the way down. Loosen it up. Take a look at your tap. You can see all that aluminum shavings. So it did cut quite a bit. I'm going to switch over to the phone, show you what the threads look like now. Maybe if I turn the light on my phone. Yeah, you can kind of hopefully see in the video. A lot better than it was. Brake cleaner. Get all the metal shavings out. Yeah. Boom. Fixed. That was way too loud. Fixed. No, it's back too loud. Fixed. Nah, that's not enthusiastic enough.
You gotta be careful.
Fixed. Oh yeah. Fixed. Perfect.